In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen issue on your PlayStation 4. We will be covering a few methods, so make sure to stick around. For the first method, if the issue only happens when you play certain games or watch content, then you should try changing the HDCP setting. To do that, you will need to take your controller, then swipe up and go over to the settings section right here, open up settings, then scroll down to the bottom and select System. Open that up and locate the Enable HDCP option. You will need to uncheck this box by pressing the X button, and once you have done that, you should try using your PlayStation 4 and see if those games and applications still give you a black screen. If you still have this issue, turn HDCP back on by pressing the exact same button in settings once again. Or if your screen is completely black regardless of any application that you are using, then try these methods. For the next method, make sure that the HDMI cable is fully plugged into both your PlayStation 4 and TV or monitor. You can also try cleaning the HDMI port with a soft brush or something similar, but do not apply any force because the ports are very fragile. Now try using the console and see if this helped solve the issue. If it didn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, try disconnecting any peripherals or storage devices. They might be obstructing the console from successfully updating, and with that, they are causing a black screen of death. After you have done that, try using your console and see if it works. If it doesn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, make sure that you have selected the correct source on your output device. Most devices have multiple HDMI ports, and in the source section, they are titled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. To check which one you are using, go to the back of your device and it usually says which one it is next to the port itself. Besides that, you can try using another HDMI port on your display device. If both of these didn't help, you can also try changing the HDMI cable. Now try using your console and see if it works, but if it doesn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, turn off your PS4 and make sure it's fully shut down. That means that the LED on the power button isn't blinking anymore, and after that happens, unplug the console from the power outlet and wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Something to note is that your console might not be properly powering on. To avoid any issues with that, try plugging it directly into the power outlet instead of a power extension lead. Now try using your console and see if this helped. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope we helped. See you in the next one.